What's going on, YouTube? This is Rick with Chasing Profits, and today we are going to show you how to remove the headliner in a Dodge Charger.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Also works for a 300 and the Magnums. The very first thing you're going to need is let's see what this is right here, a Torx head, and the number on it is a T25. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just remove all of your visors. So remove these visors, because that's going to be the first thing that needs to be taken down when you remove the headliner. This one up here, gotta get that clip out. And then what we're going to do, take out this one here. It'd be a lot easier and quicker if I had a drill, but today I'm missing my drill. Don't kill me. Two, we're gonna take off this one here, and then we're gonna take off this center console. So I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm gonna take these off because I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time without a drill. So we'll take those off, take that one off, and then we'll go ahead and we'll take our A-pillars off, which is right there, that A-pillar there, and this A-pillar here, and then we'll continue from there. All right, so when you remove the mirror here, you're going to disconnect the wire. Now you pull this through, and you're just gonna disconnect this wire, and it's just a little push button, and it comes right out. So that's that. And we're gonna set this now to the side. Set that to the side. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna move this A-pillar. A-pillar is pretty easy to remove with your hand. So there's the A-pillar that's removed. And so now this is pretty loose here, guys. It's very simple, you know, it's already loose. We're gonna remove that pillar over there. We're also gonna remove this now, and our tray here. To get our tray out here, we're just gonna use a something flat, like a flathead screwdriver. There's just a bunch of clips there, one in the middle there. And obviously I don't really care about this headliner because I'm replacing it. But you go around the whole thing, and there's clips. Try not to break this. So you might want to be a little bit more gentle than I am. There it is. And you're not going to have this wire here. This is because this used to be an officer's vehicle. So when I take the headliner down, I'll go ahead and remove all the non-necessary wires. So I'm going to remove this now, and then we will get to our handles in the back and remove the whole headliner. Alright, so to disconnect the overhead console in the ceiling, you're just going to go ahead and push this down here. Alright, so I couldn't get it on camera because I couldn't hold it, but basically you push this tab down here and pull it out, and it comes out. This one here, let's see if I can get it on camera. Nope, it's gonna be the same deal. There's one up top here, you can see it in there. You're gonna push down and pull out. There we go. So that's removed. And that one looks like this. See that? So there's a little clip down in there you're gonna remove, and then this console comes out. I might order a new one of these, or paint it, depending on how expensive it is, because this one just looks like yellowed. I don't know what color it's supposed to be, but that's definitely yellow, so I don't like yellow. So we got one more A-pillar to remove right here. And take our screwdriver, be a little bit more careful with this one. Pull it. All right. There we go. All right, so now this whole front of this headliner is disengaged, and you can see it'll pretty much just come right out. Now we got to work on the B posts here. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to remove these. I'm hoping I don't have to remove the seat belts. Doesn't look like I'm going to have to, so I'm not going to. I got enough room in there that I can go ahead and work. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm definitely going to have to take these off. So I'm going to take those off there. But these B posts, they can just be drop that all the way down, seatbelt all the way down, and then just pull that down so that this is loose. And now we're going to go ahead and remove both of those screws, one here and one there, and your headliner should come out easily. Alright, so we're taking out this screw here. Do it right there. And we're just going to go ahead and DC this. Means disconnect people. There's a gray tab that you have to pull up, and after you pull it up you can go ahead and take it out. So I gotta do this with two hands. Alright guys, I was wrong. This is where it pops in right there. If you can see that, it slides in. All you gotta do is pull this tab right here up and then pull it out. So this tab, just pull it back and that'll slide right out. You don't have to worry about this gray tab right here at all. So disregard what I said. We're gonna move over to this side now and then just slide this right out. All right, B post is slid back. This is disconnected, that's disconnected. So what we're gonna do is just pretty much let's see here. I'm gonna grab here. I'm gonna pull down around the sunroof here and kind of pry and pull forward on the whole car, on the whole headliner. So I'm gonna grab here and push this way. Watch. See that? The whole headliner is pretty much disengaged. Yep, there she is. So, unnecessary wires in here that don't need to be in here anymore. So, I'll take care of those after. But yeah, it looks good. My guys are gonna do the headliner now. This is a piece right here that goes on the back, and I'll keep that for them because they're gonna glue it to the back here, back side, when they replace the liner. The only reason why I'm replacing this liner is because number one, it's kind of old, it's discolored, and also it has holes in it from like people who mounted things on it. So that's the video. I'll go ahead and I'll shoot a video about replacing it at the same time. I still don't know if I'm gonna have to. Right now I'm keeping those B posts in to hold up the headliner, but I think I can. No, I don't think I can. So guys, we are definitely gonna have to take off these seat belts. I don't have the torque screw to do that. I will film that. See how large that is? That's very large. It's probably like a T8. So, or maybe even a T6. I'm gonna disconnect the seat belts, and then that bead post will come right off. And I'll do that tomorrow when I'm at the headliner shop, and I'll introduce you guys to my headliner shop. If you guys have any questions about how to install or remove the headliner and put a new one on, my guy's awesome, and he'll answer any of your questions. And also, you guys can put it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like it. And thanks for watching. We're gonna remove these bead posts tomorrow, and I'll edit it in the video. Yeah, this is the one I'm talking about right here. This wire here, Cecile.
Yeah, let me just remove this one right here.
All right, so that's just a whip that they just put in there. This over here, they just place it over there.
Yeah,
I don't even understand why they even have that in there like that, but whatever.
No, but
Maybe for diagnostics.
Yeah, but sometimes I remove only this one I'm talking about, in case.
All right, so let's see how we pull this thing out. Go through the back door. You got to recline the seat the entire way. Disconnect that in the back there.
Okay.
I think we're gonna go through the back door right here, right? You're gonna come out through the back.
What year is this one?
Oh wait. 51,000 miles.
Wow, nah.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Oh, so you can bend it a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Or you wanna do the car way, you remove the windshield.
We ain't doing removing any windshields.
Wait.
Oh, this is it right here. There it is. All right.